Hello, welcome everyone. So we'll do another problem from chapter 7.2 of your math book. So the question is, sum of two numbers is 55 and 5 times the larger number is equal to 6 times the smaller number. So this kind of problem is quite difficult for all of you, but this is very easy problem. So you can do this problem in two different ways. I will show you just one way. You can do it in another way. Okay, so sum of two number is 55. Suppose if one number is 30, another is 25, then we can say that sum of these two number is 55. So here the bigger number or the larger number is 30. This one is the larger number and this one is the smaller number. So what will happen next? If we find out the larger number 30, so how can we find the smaller number? So this is now so much easy. You have to find the difference. 55 minus 30, which is 25. That means this one is the smaller number. Okay, so what we will do? We will think the larger number 30 as x. So in order to find the smaller number, what you have to do? You have to subtract the x from 55. So you can write it 55 minus x. This one is the trickiest part. Hope all of you understand this, but if nobody understands this, just put in the comment section that sir, I didn't get it. Okay, so let's proceed. You can write this thing. The larger number is x, okay, and the smaller number, so the smaller number is, I have written an equation form, sum of two numbers, that means this one 55 minus larger number, the larger number 55 minus x. If someone wants to do it, let the smaller number is x, so the larger number is sum of two numbers minus the smaller number. In that case, that will be 55 minus x. Same procedure. So let's move to the toughest part. Okay, so what is the toughest part? This line, and 5 times the larger number is equal to 6 times the smaller number. This one is the most trickiest part. So I have write it down like this. According to the question, 5 times the larger number is equal to 6 times the smaller number. So I think all of you know that if I find this word times, you have to replace it with multiplication sign. 5 into the larger number. What is the, I don't have written it, I will written it like larger number is. For this word you have to replace it with equal sign or is equal to. For this is equal to, you have substituted as equal, and 6 times, 6 means the number 6, times means we have to multiply, we have to add this sign, replace this sign with multiplication sign, the smaller number. So I have written the smaller number. So 5 into the larger number. So the larger number was assumed as x. So I have replaced it with x, and 6 into 6. So you can put multiplication sign here. Also smaller number. What is our smaller number? 55 minus x. So the question answer is 55 minus x. So what you have to do? 5x equal to 6 into 55 minus x. Just multiply 6 into 55, that means 330, and 6 into x, 6x, as there is minus and this one is plus 6, so plus into minus is minus. So if I just change the position of 6x to the left side, the minus sign will convert into plus sign, so that will be 5x plus 6x equal to 330. So if we add 5x plus 6x, that means 5 টা গুলো 6 টা গুলো, what will happen? 11x equal to 330. Now the 11 is in multiplicative form with x, so you have to divide the 11 to the right side, or you can do it like this: 11x divided by 11, elementary method, 11 11 eliminated, and 330 divided by 11 is 30. So the answer is 30. This one is the larger number. What is the smaller number? Smaller number is 55 minus x. That means 55 minus 30, which is 25. So this was our desired result. So thank you everyone